A male friend of mine reached out to me some couple of days ago expressing his concerns about his relationship. And as he was talking, I observed he's making a lot of mistakes in that relationship. I outrightly told him that he's making a huge mistake, and if he continues with such mistakes, it will only make him more frustrated. A lot of men like him make huge mistakes in their relationship without even realizing it. So today, I'll be going into something every man needs to hear. Today, I'll be breaking down 10 most dangerous mistakes men make in their relationship. This kind of mistakes are mistakes that will not only hurt you, but ruin the very foundation of love, respect, and partnership. It's still your girl Oliviera, and you're welcome back to Chat with Oliviera. Now, grab your seat, pay close attention, and let's get you on the path to a healthier, stronger, and more fulfilling relationship. And as always, stick around to the end for a golden piece of advice you don't want to miss. Now, let's get into the video. The first dangerous mistake on my list is settling for a woman who lacks cooperation. Relationship is partnership, not a one-man show. It's about two people coming together to achieve a common objective. Where it is one-sided, it's no longer a relationship, it's a situationship. If she's not willing to share responsibilities or work with you during tough times, then you're setting yourself up to be frustrated. Cooperation isn't about splitting chores. It's about being a team when life throws challenges your way. If she's more interested in taking Snapchat pictures or posting on Snapchat, or more interested in her Instagram feeds than helping you solve problems, then you're on your own, brother. It's like rolling a boat with one paddle. Look for someone who meets you halfway. We all need that in our lives, don't we? Teamwork is non-negotiable for a lasting relationship. The second most dangerous mistake is ignoring the sign of an unimpressionable woman. A woman who doesn't appreciate your efforts, a woman who you can't impress but compares you with her past experience. When a woman has been deeply influenced by her past relationships, she will struggle to connect with you on your level or on your terms. And you'll find yourself competing with her exes, trying to measure up to standards set by other men. When in the real sense, you just have to be you and offer what you're capable of offering in a relationship. The mistake you will make is giving in to this type of pressure. If she's comparing with her exes or demanding that you change, then she's likely stuck in her past. An impressionable woman is open to learning, growing, and bonding with you in a unique way. Thirdly, overlooking her inability to compromise. Compromise is very important in every relationship, even though some relationships struggle with it. If she is refusing to bend on anything, you'll be stuck making all the sacrifices. And you will be making a huge mistake if you overlook this. A woman who won't compromise will turn every decision into a battle. Stand firm on your values and communicate clearly why certain compromise are necessary. And if she's not willing to meet you in the middle, then she's not ready for a meaningful relationship. The fourth one is accepting a one-dimensional partner. A high-value woman understands the importance of balance. She takes care of herself, her physical appearance, nurtures her character, knows how to communicate effectively. But too many men settle for a woman who excels in an area and neglects the rest. If she's all about her looks but lacks character or can't hold a meaningful conversation, that imbalance will eventually cause problems. Look for someone who values growth in every aspect of her life. Someone who is well-rounded and can grow alongside you. This number 5 is one of the mistakes my friend was making. Ignoring male friends' boundaries. Here's the thing. Male friends can be a big issue if no boundaries are set. If your woman has male friends who constantly showers her with compliments and attention, it can create unnecessary tension in the relationship. In my friend's case, she was not only entertaining attention, but communicating with them in a non-casual manner, like having a flirty conversation. What do you make of that, guys? Men in the friend zone are often waiting for an opportunity, and that's not a risk you want to take. Set boundaries early on in the relationship, and if she values the relationship, she will respect those boundaries. If not, she's not the one. The 6th one on the list is allowing constant nagging without solution. Some women are just good at nagging, and you can't even understand what they are complaining about. A woman who nags without identifying the problem leaves you emotionally drained. Men are natural problem solvers, and if there is no clear issue to address, then it's impossible to fix anything. Don't tolerate constant nagging if she can't identify the problem to fix it. If she can't articulate what's wrong, it's time to address the lack of clarity before it damages the relationship. Let's look at the 7th dangerous mistake: prioritizing love over respect. Love and respect are 2 different things. They are not the same thing. And as a man, respect should come first. A woman can love you but still disrespect you. And without respect, love won't last. Don't make the dangerous mistake of tolerating disrespect in your relationship, because one little disrespect will lead to a bigger one that you cannot be able to handle. A respectful woman will remain loyal even when her emotions wavers. Prioritize respect. It's the foundation of a long-lasting relationship. This number 8 is a mistake many men make. Bending to a lifestyle that you can't afford. Gentlemen, don't try to maintain a lifestyle that is beyond your means just to keep her happy. Live up to your means and do what your capacity can carry. Some men take loan just to maintain their women. Don't do that. A real partner will build with you and not drain you. If she's more concerned about luxury than sustainability, then she's not the one for you. And gentlemen, don't also make the mistake of disregarding the one that is building with you. Make her feel valued and well appreciated. Because if you do the otherwise, it's going to be a great loss for you if that relationship comes to an end. The 9th dangerous mistake men make is accepting hypergamy after commitment. Now, hypergamy is all about accepting a woman who can trade you up for a better option. Now, she's looking for the next big thing. Now, this can be tolerated at the beginning when dating just started, but when things start to get serious, it needs to stop. A woman who is looking for the next big thing is not ready for a serious relationship. If she's constantly comparing the relationship with others or looking for better opportunities, then she's not in it. It's best you end it now. Don't allow hypergamy. And finally, letting cheating slide. Cheating can be the worst thing you can do to your partner. It's the ultimate betrayal. No matter how much you love her, forgiving her infidelity only sends a message that your standard can be compromised. Hold yourself to a high standard. A woman who loves and respects you won't jeopardize the relationship by stepping out, irrespective of your status. Fellas, relationships aren't just about love. They are about mutual respect, shared values, and teamwork. If you're with someone who is dragging you down, don't be afraid to walk away. The right woman will lift you up and build a future with you, not against you. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop your comments below. I would love to hear from you. And also the men, what mistakes have you made or are you making in your relationship? Please let us know on the comments section. Until next time, I am still your girl, Oliviera. Thank you for watching. Bye.